are going to deal with the in who can tell me the lesson from the PowerPoint slide? Excellent. The differences or the difference between the infinitive form, the full infinitive form, the bare infinitive form, and the ing form. You can call it the gerund form or the ing form. What are the differences? Who can tell me? Think. Don't be afraid. Try. You are very excellent students. Okay, the full infinitives should be preceded by to. For example, you can say to play, to run, to eat. What about the bare infinitive? Run, eat, play. And what about the ing form? Running, playing, eating. Okay? You know the three main forms that we are going to talk about today. Someone may ask me, when can we use each one of them? The question, my dear students, when can we use each one of them? Let's read 3 examples. We must go to school now. You want to go to school now. I like going to school. Why? One of you and all of you should ask why we use go here in the first sentence, to go in the second sentence, and going in the third sentence. Let's begin. Are you ready? Let's go to know the uses of the 3 forms. Let's begin with the full infinitive. When can we use the full infinitive? Look at the board and think. Tell me, who can tell me? Excellent. We can use it to express purpose. I want an example, Mister. We go to school to learn. We go to school to study. We travel abroad to speak English. Okay? When can we use the to plus infinitive, the full infinitive? After certain verbs like want, would like, would love, hope, decide, plan, arrange, advise, choose, learn, all these verbs. All these verbs should be followed by the full infinitive. I want one of you to give me just one example. Excellent. You want to drink water. Excellent. Why your students used to drink water? Because want should be followed by to plus an infinitive. I will give you a question. Salim forgets. To bringing. Excellent. To bring his student book. Okay, let's go to the second form, the ing form. When can we use the ing form? Playing, running, eating, speaking, walking. Who can tell me? Wonderful. After certain verbs like go. You know this rule a long time ago. Love, hate, enjoy, prefer, continue, stop, avoid, keep should be followed by the ing form. For example, go. Salim went to swimming yesterday. Went swimming, excellent, because go. And when, gone should be followed by the ing form. And we can use it also after certain expressions like don't mind, can't stand, interested in, so worth. What about it? How about it should be followed by the ing form. For example, what about playing tennis? What about visiting our grandmother? Okay, you should know also that I will tell you about an important point. We can use the ing form as a subject. How? A subject. Wonderful. At the beginning of the sentence, smoking is very bad for our health. Swimming is very good for our health. Here, swimming and smoking are subjects. We use the gerund as subjects. Finally, after prepositions, after, before, on, in, of, off, you should know the difference between of and off. In, at, all of these prepositions should be followed by the ing form. Let's go to the last part of our lesson, the bare infinitive. When can we use the bare infinitive? Who can tell me? Remember me. What does it mean, bare infinitive? Excellent. Play, run, eat. Without anything before it or after it. When can we use the bare infinitive? Wonderful. After modal verbs. Shall, should, can, could, will, would. All these modals should be followed by the infinitive. After let and make, the verbs let and make should be followed by the infinitive. Okay? Now, you understood our rule. It's very easy to you. It's very easy to answer questions about it. Just 2 minutes. We will deal with an important exercise. It's very important, my dear students. And inshallah, it will come in the final exam. 1 or 2 of these sentences. Okay, let's begin. It's amazing. It's plus adjective. I told you about it. It's plus adjective should be followed by, how can tell me? Excellent. To plus infinitive. It's amazing to see, not seeing, and not sees, not so, not to see. لا, excellent, to see. Okay, let's go to the second one. How easily a modern mobile phone can. I've just told you that can, could, shall, should be followed by the infinitive, the bare infinitive. Okay, we can say to affect, affecting, wonderful, affect. I want one of you to answer the third one, alone, without any help. A man goes to the city center and do. Here we are talking about verbs. Verbs. Why? Why did you go to the city center? To do some shopping. To buy. Wonderful. Number 4. It's very easy, number 4. That's important. He enjoys. He enjoys. Running, to run, running. But here, he enjoys. Walk, to walk, walking. Wonderful. Walking. Why walking, mister? Because enjoy should be followed by the gerund form. Okay, now let's go to number 5. Might, may, might, shall, should. I told you that it should be followed by the bare infinitive. Have. Okay, someone may ask, why did you put not before have? Because we want to make it negative. So we put not before have. Wonderful, my dear students. You are very clever today. Let's go to number 6. He uses his mobile phone. Get online. I told you about the verbs. He uses his mobile phone to get. Excellent. To get. And number 7. Wants. Needs. Would like. Would love. All these verbs should be followed by the full infinitive. What does it mean? I told you, full infinitive, excellent, wonderful, to plus an infinitive. We can put here to buy. What about the last one? It's worth. It's worth, one of the expressions that should be followed the ing form. Okay, guys, now we can put here paying, pay plus ing. Now, we have finished our lesson today. I hope to meet you again. Goodbye, my dear students.